nila guys, oh. Rates nila ngayon. So mag day tour lang kami today. 100 per head. Hi guys! So today nandito kami sa Gintong Pakpak Eco Park, which is close to the, it's actually at the foot of Mount Arayat. So we're just having a short break from everything we are doing, just to have a relaxation. Relax muna. So enjoying nature, communing with nature. Sometimes it's part of the recovery process, healing process. At saka, yeah, it's resting is also necessary, di ba? So kailangan din natin mag-rest once in a while. So yeah, we just thought of coming here kasi we're not very far from this place. So yeah, so tinan nyo, oh. Can you hear it? Can you hear the wind? So this is new Gintong Pakpak Eco Park, Mount Arayat. Ang ganda guys. Meron silang mga day tours. They also have if you want to stay overnight, two nights, whatever, pwede rin. So may mga villas sila, mga ganun. So i-explore lang natin to. Relax lang tayo today. Sarap din kasing mag ganito. See, look at those wonderful trees. Ganda, no? So this vlog today is it's gonna be a slow moving video, just communing with nature, enjoying, recovering, resting. Diba? Look at that. Look at that. Ganda, no? Ganda. Hi. So nice here. Overnight kaya tayo, no? Napaka-relaxing. Ngayon pag ano dun, oh. Punta natin dun. Mag-CR muna tayo. So ito yung office nila. Parking is only for those who are checking in. So otherwise kung day tour ka lang, dun ka lang sa labas mag-park. Wow, ganda. Saan yung restroom, dudes? Oh, meron silang restaurant, trekking. Oh, sa taas. Punta muna ako sa restroom, guys. Tingnan mo itong mga parang mga bahay kubo, no? Ganda, no? Very relaxing siya. Careful lang kaya sa mga steps. Ah, mayroong restaurant din dito, dudes. So they have this beautiful area. Ah, meron palang ano dito. Gusto mo mag-karaoke, no? May banda. So meron silang restaurant doon. Tignan natin yung restaurant mamaya. Ha? Oh, relaxing, no? Malamig ito sa umaga. Tsaka sa gabi. Ooh. Ano pa maligo? Nice. Okay, explore lang tayo. Ayun yung mga maliliit na villa, oh. Ito yung mga cabin. Ah, cabins. Okay. Ganda, no? Tapos dun sa baba, may mga yung maliliit na para silang ano bang tawag dyan? Villa?
Villa. Diyan overnight yun.
Oh, yan, mag-overnight. Oh. Mag-iinuman pa, oh, Red Horse. Can't blame them if you're in this place. Then sarap siguro mag inom din, di ba? Nice. Beautiful. Careful ka lang sa steps. Ibang units may mga repairs na ginagawa. Ba't na-intriga ako dito sa mga yan? Looks interesting. Tingnan natin to. Ah, glamping. Ah, okay. Wow. Pwede pala mag-glamping doon. So look at this. Ganda ng ano doon, no? Cabins tawag nila doon. They're called cabins. I wonder kung ano yung sa loob nito. Hello. So may mga cabins dito. Toilet, shower. Look at that. Ganda, no? Okay naman yung toilet nila. May bidet pa, oh. And then there's shower rooms there. Meron pa silang mga basins, wash basins. More cabins there. Dito tayo sa baba. New Gintong Pakpak Garden Resto. Ah, okay. So new na pala. Because I checked in their website. The website wasn't updated since about 2017. Yung last post nila is 2017. At saka yung sa Facebook page din nila, ganun din. Last post was 2017. So I was wondering, yeah, it's quite hard to find online. Okay, parang nag-offline sila. But anyway, we are here kasi malapit lang kami sa area. So, yeah, yan yung glamping nila, oh. Parang bahay kubo, no? Yung ibang villa may mga ano sila, may mga aircons naman. So, and then there are also fire extinguishers kasi prone to fire yan. Yeah, you can stay here, Instagram photos. And then there's a small, oh, ano to? There's a small lake or pond, how do you call that? Ito nga ako. Wow. Para siyang pond. Ganda, no? Then you have the view of the mountains up there. Anong masasabi mo, sir, sa Gintong Pakpak?
Wala.
Hmm? Wala siyang masabi.
Wag.
Oh, no comment. Wow, very relaxing talaga. Ang sarap mag-overnight dito, dudes. Dito na lang tayo mag ano, next time, no, pag mag ano, meron tayong event. So if you have like a Christmas party, birthdays, wedding, I think pwede rin to. Yeah, maraming gumagawa ng mga small resorts. Marami actually ano, sa area there are quite a number of tourist spots, but ito lang muna ang pinuntahan namin kasi ito yung pinaka well established. Okay, let's go up. Okay, so let's go to this so ito yung mga brick style villas up, and they call it pension villa. Baka may nakatira na dyan ng mga pensioners, no? Pension villa. So lakad tayo dito. May mga malalaki pang buildings. So parang siyang Baguio style, no? No? Yung mga building nila is parang reminds us of Baguio. Pwede mag swimming pool, dudes. Gusto mo? Ayan. Yan yung swimming pool. Hello, tenant. Ito yung swimming pool, sir.
Swimming pool.
Additional bayad, no? Kung gusto mong maligo.
100
100 kung gusto mong maligo, additional siya, guys. Okay. Maganda naman yung swimming pool. Pero kung naka-check-in ka, hindi na magbabayad. Free na. May breakfast pa yung check-in? Wow. Malinis naman siya. Nice, no?
Meron pa to 20. 100 step, sir.
Para makakit kayo sir doon sa may coffee shop.
Meron pa doon?
Meron pa.
Hala,
100 step daw.
Hala, let's go.
Kasi kumain dalawa.
May coffee doon?
Mga iba-ibang klase coffee po doon.
Nasa taas na, sir.
Okay. Sige. Sige lang, okay lang. Kasi dahan-dahan lang kami. Wow. Pipaninapan. Ano yan? Pipaninapan. Ha? Okay. Wishing well. Wishing well. Dali lang, relax ka lang. We have a lot of time. Ano to? Malaking villa to ano to? Event center? Ito yung function rooms nila. Tingnan natin yung function rooms. Tuknangan is function hall. Function hall. Okay. Meron silang function hall. Wala yatang gumagamit sa function hall. Wow. So this is their function hall. Okay. Function hall, meron silang nagba-vlog lang kami, sir. Oh, wow.
Lalo na yung dam, magandang tingnan.
Oh, yung ganda dito. Ano to, parang theater?
Oh, check out kung tawag nila dyan.
Oh, theater. Parang Greek theater.
Nagpaparty dati.
Oo, oo. Pwede ka mag-perform dyan sa baba. So you have the pool, function hall, and then you have the theater here. Okay siya. Parang hindi siya ina-advertise masyado, sir. So pupunta kami sa coffee shop which is 200 steps away. Oh, kaya ba natin yan? Kakayanin. So guys, I started my real estate journey about a year ago, and for the past year I've just been focusing so much on my systems. So my website, creating my website, setting up my social media accounts, and then client relationship management systems, advertising campaigns, a lot of video creation, content creation. So videos, flyers, reels. So yung energy ko na focus siya doon. And then I was doing a lot of product knowledge seminars and going to the projects by developers. Okay, so yeah, it was very intense year, and medyo I need to step back now and review and you know, just step back and see where I am at the moment. So kaya we decided to just come here and just relax. Maybe I can see something out of this event, or a different perspective perhaps in life, and evaluate what happened the last year. I cannot say that it's not productive, but it's been challenging, and it's time consuming. All my energy, I poured all my talents in there, so kaya medyo napagod din. So because I poured all, parang lahat ng mga skills ko, and video editing skills, copywriting, and all of that, using AI. Gumawa pa ako ng music for my site. So it's really setting up the business as it is, and linking with developers and brokers also from different developers. So parang the year was very like systems oriented setting up. So I've done that. So I feel like the next year is gonna be phase 2 of this journey. So I have also been accredited officially by Professional Regulation Commission, PRC. So I'm now an PRC accredited salesperson, so which is a good thing. It boosts my credibility and trust. So now I'm entering phase 2 of this journey, and it's gonna be another challenge. So this time I plan to go out more now because I have established my systems already. So now it's time to go out, meet new clients, new people, expand my network, physically meeting people physically. So hopefully this year is gonna be an exciting year for me. So yeah, But look at that. Savor that. Okay. Nandun na yung onggoy sa taas. Hindi. So, this is the start of the 200 steps. Oh my god. Wow. Oh. 208 steps daw. Para makakapag-coffee tayo. Oh my god. Kaya ko ba to? I don't know if I can do this, but I'll try. Kaya naman yata. Look at that. Parang wala pa yata akong 100 steps. When I was younger, I used to climb, hike a lot of mountains. Mount Makulot. I climbed Mount Makulot 11 times. I climbed Mount Banahai 10 times. Now I can't even take these 208 steps. Hindi naman, kaya naman. Oh my god. Ooh. Hinihingal ako, guys. Hinihingal ako. Matanda na talaga, no? Sakit ang pa ako. Kakayanin ba? I want the coffee. That's why I need to go up. Meron pang Valley Kubo. Valley Kubo. Oh my lord. Look at that. Oh my god. Layo pa. Oh. Oh my god, my legs are aching. I didn't expect this. I thought nasa foot of the mountain lang kami. Pa gala-gala lang, pa walking lang ng konti. Hindi, meron pala silang uphill climb. Okay, I'm taking the challenge. Oh my God. Pwede ba sumakay? Meron bang cable car? Kailangan ko ng cable car, sir. Cable car, sir. Kailangan ko ng cable car. Whew. Naku. Meron pa yata rin sa taas. Whew. Whew. Oh my God. Ano ba sila, guys? Oh Lord. Napasubo yata ako.
Mabilis na yan pag pumabas. Kahit kami ganyan kami kanina.
Ang sakit. Sakit ng paa ko. Oh my God.
Marami pa sir.
Woo! Tayo kayo ng cable car, sir. Pinahihirapan nyo naman kami. Kayo pang nagbabayad.
Marami pumapalik din sinasabi.
Woo! Aray. Wow. Oh wow. Whew. Ito na ba yun? Meron silang ano recycling. That's a good idea. Whew. So we are at ano ba to? Siguro 1/4 halfway. Hala, tumatakbo pa siya, oh. Hindi na yata kaya. Ay, pahinga muna ako. Yung cafe nila. Pero palang kalsada dun, sir? Okay. Saan yung exit nyan? Sa may gate? Meron palang daan dun. Meron kalsada dun. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at the mountains. Ganda. Oh my God. Sakit na ba ako? Sakit na.
Pagod pa, pagod.
Wow. Uy, wow. Ganda dito. Upo ka dyan, dude. Kami lang dalawa.
Okay po. Eh, kung gusto pumesto pa. Sa mga kubo natin meron tayong electric fan, sa loob po aircon po sa loob.
Ah, hawak na yung aircon. Napasubo na kami dito. Wow. Air condition sa loob, no? Ganda, oh. Wala kayong website, no?
Anong website po? Para yung Facebook page po namin, gano'n?
Pati yung Facebook page nyo parang walang updates.
Hindi, ngayon bago po ngayon is Cafe Gintong, New Gintong Pakpak po yung pangalan po. Dati po kasi Gintong Pakpak lang po.
Ah,
Ngayon
so
po,
new ginto na.
Yes po, yung, kasi new management po, Koreano po kasi yung mayari po.
Ah, okay. Kasi nakita ko kasi yung ano lang, yung luma.
Oo,
Bakit walang
talagang
update?
wala pong update talaga yun kasi
2017 pa.
Yes po, wala po.
Sa website saka sa Facebook.
Bali ano po,
So ngayon may bago na.
Po, Facebook po, New
Okay.
Gintong Pakpak po. Makikita niyo po lahat yung mga.
Okay. Hanapin
Ito
ko
pala
yan.
yung mga ano namin, yung mga drinks namin, tsaka yung pagkain po. Yung mga pagkain namin all available po. Tapos yung mga pasta natin, tsaka fries, tsaka sandwich po, good for 2. Yung mga burger lang po is good for 1 po.
Okay.
About naman sa mga drinks po natin, yung mixed berries lang po yung not available. Then the rest po available po lahat.
Oh, okay. Sige. Explore muna natin to.
Sige po. Lagay ko na po yung ano dito.
Ah, sige. Wow. Ito na yung pinaka-tok-tok, sir.
Yes po, sir. Basan. Yung balo kang Sir Lester, sir, ay pare. Kasi
Ano siya ng mga kubo-kubo dito. So may kalsada pala doon. Pwede mag-parking din dito. So ito na yung pinakadulo yata ng property. Okay. Nice. So I'll just grab a seat. Have some drink. Meron pa dito. Okay.
kaya ang ginawa, at na pa mo na busbos. Balik ka na ako, hindi pa mo. Pero yan, kung may nga tinawag kay Kylie, ako sa kadwa.
Saka mo so, dito? So cool, guys. It's so nice. Very calming. It's good for the soul. So na-order kami ng pagkain. Burger, pasta. Ano silang tinatawag na mud mango. I don't know why it's mud. Black forest. And yung bottle of water nila. So the price is okay. It's not too expensive. It's okay naman. I'll show it to you later. Dito kami, sir.
Sige po.
Gusto namin makita yung ano.
Yung view, no?
Yung
Mas maganda
view,
dito
hmm.
dahil naging ano dito, yung place dito. Yung upo.
Parang mango shake.
Yes po, kaya masarap yan. Magiging masaya ang buhay mo. Ito,
Hmm,
mud
saya.
mango po. And then black forest po.
Okay.
Binigyan ko po kayo ng extra cake kasi po yung pasta natin good for 2 po.
Okay. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you po.
Okay. Ito yung mad mango. Sarap. How's your Black Forest? Okay ba yung Black Forest? Ha?
Yeah, sir. Taste check.
Okay?
Yeah. Masarap. Sarap.
Sarap daw. Sino kayang masarap? Okay. Kinain na namin yung chicken burger with salad. Masarap siya. Pero this one is even much better. Pasta nila. Sarap. Pasta. So we paid $8.40 for all of this. 2 drinks, burger, pasta, 2 small drinks na ganyan. 840 pesos. Not bad, I think, for this kind of place. Plus, you're also paying for the ambience. Look at that. Ganda, guys. Very relaxing. Diba? Sarap.